वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर वेल क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सो आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता ताल्ल्यांचें सायड डिश. दॅट इज अगेन माय ग्रॅन्डमदर. ताल्ल्याचे सायडीक इज लायक सम पीपल कॅन से रसम or whatever it is. It's a nice dish to go with bread, Goan bread, or in rice also. So I have taken around 5. You can take more. I have taken 5. Now I will apply salt to this, and I will apply more salt this time, and then wash this. So this time, because the sardines are little bit of it is like, so to remove all this stickiness, so we'll keep this till then. We will do our next procedure. So for our side dish, it's very simple and easy. You need fish. So I am taking sardine, 1 green chili, 1 tomato. This is 2 onions like this sliced, and this is 1 small pod of garlic which is going to go. I will be adding it whole. 1 tablespoon of oil, and these are like around 10 flakes of kokum, that is solna, bindichi solna, and I have soaked this. And let's start. So we'll wait for a few minutes till it gets nice salt for this, and then we'll wash this and apply again little bit of salt, and then add to our side dish. So after few minutes, now I am washing this. Okay, so I have washed this. Actually, olden days most of the fishes were been like this only to remove all the impurities. Till today there are some grandmothers who are there, they do that, and they put rock salt instead of this salt, but we are using this iodized salt. Now it is not like olden days how it was, the weather, everything is changing. So this is my salt now after washing, and we will leave this, and we'll start our other procedure. So now let's start frying this. We'll add the oil in this. And we'll add our onion, and tomato along with the whole garlic. And let's saute this, fry this for few seconds. This is a very quick dish, actually, very quick dish. And again, non-spicy, without coconut. And we'll add this chili. Now we'll add our turmeric powder to this. So the main is like turmeric powder and the kokum. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now if you want to add a pinch, you can add pinch also, but I love turmeric. It's very yum. And now at this point, we will add our this kokum water. So I will be adding a little bit more to this. Okay. So 1 more cup I will add in this same only. I will squeeze and add. So I've squeezed, I've added the one more cup of water. So these are the squeezed one. So I've taken the like this, 2 of this is gone in this water. Now as it is like this, we will add our fish to this. And sardine takes very not very long, so just 5 minutes and this is ready. Our side dish is ready. So we'll cover this and cook this for just for 5 minutes. Fish is done and our side dish is ready. Check your salt. Okay, we'll add a little bit of salt. So here we covered this just for 5 minutes. And here is my quick dish, sardine side dish, Tarleche side dish is ready. Indian people will say it is rasam, but I don't know. We call it side dish. And in my house it is very regular because I just relish it with rice, white rice, this, and it is just yum. So you can enjoy your sardine side dish. Thank you so much for watching this. The fish is cooked because you can see it's cooked. And so the fish is done. Now I will enjoy it. Thank you so much.